Hello traders, welcome to our channel MKV Traders Club. In this video we are going to see the potential short-term stock for the upcoming week. Before we are going to analyze the stocks, let me going to discuss the review of the last video, because in the last video we discussed two stocks, which is one is Reflex Industries Limited, another one is Tata Chemicals. Let we are going to see the what are the results we are obtained from that two stocks. The first stock, Reflex Industries Limited. Traders, logic behind this stock selection, trend line breakout we are expecting. That time the last video we discussed, and moreover the regarding the trading plan we also discussed in that video. Whenever that this is the entry point, whenever it breaks that upper trend line, we are taking entry point, and whenever it touches that other, that means whenever it breaks the lower trend line, we have to exit from this point. So this is the overall trading plan, and by applying that same logic, we we got nearly 35 32 to 35 percentage returns from this stock. So so this is the logic behind this stock selection, and moreover, whatever the stocks you are selecting, the only things you have to consider price action and the chart pattern. The chart pattern it has formed, it is triangle pattern. So whenever triangle pattern formation you found out that stock, you will go for long in that stock, because it is very reliable. That's it about the stock traders. The next stock we discussed, Tata Chemicals. Actually, Tata Chemicals looking very good by the time we are discussing, but unfortunately, it given breakout and it gets uh, retest. Actually, that lower trend line we given us stop loss, and almost the stop loss has been hit. Actually, it is going to break that stop loss, but fortunately it is not break that level. Still it is in that supporting zone. So I hope this time, this week, it will going to retest, and it will get reversal, I think so. So this is the two stocks we are discussed in last week. And regarding the entry point, in this stock we discussed that upper trend line. Actually it break that upper trend line, and it touches that maximum reverse, that major resistance, and it get reversed back. So this is the two stocks we are discussed. And for the upcoming week, the first stock we are going to see, Agarwal Industries Limited. Traders, the logic behind this stock selection, I am expecting trend line breakout as well as triangle pattern breakout in the coming days. Actually in small time frame, in daily time frame, it has given trend line breakout, but still one major resistance is there. So this is the weekly chart pattern you are seeing in this video. This pattern looking very good and very strong, because it has it does try to break that level so many times, but still it is not able to break that level. And the regarding the resistance zone, let me explain that resistance zone. So this is the major resistance zone. This is the major resistance zone. That major resistance zone from 2017 onwards, it acting as a major resistance zone. After 6 years it going to break that level. So this is a major resistance zone. And and regarding the trading plan, you can keep this supporting zone, that means lower trend line, you can keep as your stop loss. Once it break that this lower trend line, you can exit from the stock. And otherwise, regarding the entry point, it already given sorry, it already given entry point, but still one more that resistance is there. Actually it having the two possibility from this stock. Two possibilities are there in this stock. Let me explain that possibilities. Either it will get reversed and retest this lower trend line, and it will get again reverse. So this is the one probability. And the next probability we are going to see, otherwise it given straight away, it given breakout. So you have to wait patiently and try to take trade as per risk management and trading plan confirmation. Once the trading confirmation comes, then only you can go enter, then only you can go long in this stock. That is, you can go for upside. Otherwise when it will get reversed and touch downside, then we'll go for long. So this is the overall trading plan for the stock traders. The next stock we are going to see, Al Alsec Technologies Limited. That is the logic behind this stock selection. I am expecting trendline breakout as well as resistance breakout. So this is the pattern in weekly time frame. You can see this stock has been consolidating for more than 1 year, because last June it has come to that this level. See this 1 year from last June to till this July, it is in traveling in that same level, that is the 550 to 560, that around that level it is traveling. I hope this time it is going to break that level, because already 1 year over. And regarding the supporting zone and rejection zone, it taking good number of supports. When you see that lower trend line, you can see that supporting zones. And also in rejection side, it taking so many rejection. That means it tries to break that level, that resistance level, but it couldn't do that. I hope this time it's going to break that level, and also we can going to get some good returns in the coming days. And regarding the trading plan, you can keep this resistance zone. This is a strong resistance zone. Once this resistance zone will break, it going to give breakout in the coming days. So you can keep this upper resistance line as your entry point. And regarding the stop loss, you can keep that middle trend line, middle resistance line, you can keep as your stop loss. So this is a minimal stop loss, and also you can expect good returns in the coming days. So this is a overall trading plan for these stock traders. Traders, if you find this video helpful to you in any way, kindly do like, subscribe, comment, and share it to friends and to the needy people. And also, if you benefited from the previous video, that is Reflex Industry Limited, kindly comment your feedbacks